Hey there, getting ready to make this cup holder. So that's 5 1/4 inch diameter aluminum. I was hoping to get 4 1/2, but they didn't have 4 1/2 in stock, so we'll be doing a lot of extra turning. But this is the FMB saw going through it. I put a more coarse blade on it. I think this is the 5 1/8 variable pitch blade. It's about halfway through. Seems to be doing fine. I have the guard off because I thought it was going to pack up with chips, and it took me a little bit to get the tension set. So there's tension here using this handle, and there's a switch, but where I felt that it needed to be engaged the switch too much and wouldn't let you run it without overriding the reset. So right now it's in the sweet spot and seems to be doing fine, seems to be tracking okay. I was concerned that it's off the pulley a little bit more than I wanted there, but it actually has been pretty consistent now that I see it's run for a while. Some of the features I didn't go over or was incorrect on before is this switch here is for when you have it elevated and you want to bring it down without moving the blade. So this will activate the hydraulics. So if you wanted to use a tape measure to figure out your length from the blade, if it was up here, then it would lower it down, because you can't lower this at all by hand unless either the blade is turning, which activates the hydraulics, or lets you do it manually, or you use the blue button to bring it down. Then so the key is in auto feed. The other option is manual feed. This is the light that's connected to that switch. I ended up finding that light in there, and it had gotten overheated and melted into the bottom of one of the other plugs. That's why I couldn't see it originally. I tried to get a new bulb, I couldn't find it. I needed a new e-stop switch, and I found that easy enough. The reset button gets used a lot because every change in the configuration you have to reset. So if you change the speed, it's in high, but if you go to low, you have to reset it. If you use the e-stop, if you go between the manual and automatic, again, you reset it. So it's going along pretty good. Got a proper amount of coolant going, not too much, not too little, making a nice mess. So I don't know if I'll be able to video all of it, but next thing will be is to turn this diameter. Where I set it down, I'm going to turn the first turn will be that small diameter, and then I'll flip it around, and there'll be 2 extra inches of that small diameter that will be held in the chuck. Then about 1 inch of what you see for the cup, it only needs to be 5/8, and then the rest of the work will be done after that, and then try to bore it out. We'll see how it goes. This plastic piece is 60 thousandths wall. I'm going to try to do about 100 thousandths wall and see if it holds up. It could turn into a mess, but I don't know how critical it really is. It's going in a race car. So I guess we'll see you next time on the lathe.